Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure. Today we are checking out the Hickman Bridge Trail here at Capitol Reef National Park. This trail is a little bit less than 2 miles long, labeled as moderate, about 480 feet of elevation gain. And we're basically hiking to the park's natural bridge. So I've been staying in the town of Torrey, Utah, which is about 11 miles away from the park. And it's been raining this whole day. And then it finally cleared up like 2 hours before sunset. So I rushed over here just so I could get this hike in. I thought this day was gonna be a bust, but luckily it's not. Lucky for me, this is gonna be the best time of day to film anyways. I can actually see the Hickman Bridge in the distance right now. There it is. Not too much further. So here it is, Hickman Bridge. This is a great hike, pretty easy in my opinion, here at Capitol Reef National Park. I do appreciate you joining me on another adventure. Thank you so much. You know the routine. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe and also share with your friends and family.